So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Lunch?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes? Had lunch?
Yes.
Not yet. Okay. So I had given you an activity in the last class. Hope you are all ready with it.
PPT presentation.
Yes, PPT presentation. So shall we do it today?
Yes,
Anybody else
ma'am.
Ma'am,
without completing the activity?
last class I was absent.
Okay. You did not watch the recorded session?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you gave it in the class
No,
before
you sent in the
class.
WhatsApp also.
Yes, before last class I gave you. That homework was given to you before last class.
Ma'am, and then you sent in the WhatsApp also.
Yes, I sent it in the WhatsApp also as a reminder. All right. So I'll make a random call, that's better. We'll start with Ishal. Ishal, shall we do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. I have enabled the screen sharing. You can start doing it now.
Good afternoon. I'm Ishil Benish of Class 7A. Today I'm going to speak about sports. Cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. There should be 11 participants in each team. Cricket is played by two teams, each of 11, with one side taking a turn to bat a ball and score runs, while the other team will bowl and field the ball to restrict the opposition from scoring. The main objective in cricket is to score as many runs as possible against the opponent. Hitting the ball to the boundary along the ground is 4 runs. Hitting the ball over the boundary on the full equals 6 runs. Cricket was originated in England and cricket is also the national sport of England.
Yes.
Football. Football is an outdoor game. There should be 11 participants in each team. Team members of one team maneuver the ball into the other team's goal without using their hands or arms. The team that scores more goals wins. All teams must take the field with 5 players. Goalkeepers can pass the ball out with their feet or throw it out with their hands. Football was originated in Britain. It is the national sport of France.
Yes.
Hockey. Hockey is played both in indoor and outdoor. There should be 11 participants in each team. Members use a stick curved at the striking end to hit a small, hard ball into their opponent's goal. The team gaining more goals wins the match. The players must use only the flat side of the stick. It was originated in England. It is the national game of India. Basketball. Basketball is played both in indoor and outdoor. There is a maximum of 5 players of each team on floor at one time. The player must bounce the ball with one hand while moving both feet. If at any time both hands touch the ball or the player stops dribbling, the player must move only one foot. A point is scored by a team by throwing the ball through the opponent's basket. It was originated in US and it is the national game of Lithuania. Volleyball. Volleyball is played both in indoor and outdoor. Number of participants in each team is 6. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on other team's court under organized rules. Maximum of 3 hits per side. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. It was originated in USA and volleyball is the national sport of Sri Lanka. Likes and dislikes on sports. Personally, I like to play volleyball. It's because it gives a full stretch to our body. In sports activities, injuries may happen which may be serious. It may create a mental stress for a person while participating in a competitive events. Benefits of playing sports. Sport is a good exercise for our body. It improves the body fitness. It makes one physically and mentally strong. It improves one's concentration and also increases the focusing power. It gives a good sleep at night. Thank you.
Okay, Hishal, very well presented. Okay, you have organized all the points in detail. And we could get a lot of information about cricket, football, basketball, hockey, and volleyball. And you personally prefer to play volleyball, is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you played it before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good presentation. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we will have Abhinand Krishna. Abhinand, you can start sharing the screen.
Good afternoon to all. I am Abhinav Krishna Ajish of class 7A is going to present English activity. Cricket. Cricket was invented
Can you show the
by
first slide? Yes.
outdoor games. Cricket, football, badminton, golf, basketball, volleyball.
All right.
Cricket. Cricket was invented by Williams Gilbert Grace. He was born on 18 July 1848, died on 23 October 1915. He was the first cricketer in England. The first cricket was held in southeast England. They played hockey stick and ball. Rules. There is reference to the toss of coin and pitch
Dimensions.
22 yard. The stumps must be 22 inches, 560 millimeter high and 6 inches, 152 millimeter ball. The ball must weigh between 5 and 6 ounces. Over last ball, 4 balls. The no ball is peculiar for
Penalty.
overstep, which means hind foot going
Hind foot.
in front of a bowling grease.
Bowling.
In the bowling grease, in direct line of wicket. I'm stopping here because so many rules are there.
Okay.
Football. Football was invented by Walter Camp. He is the American football player, coach, the sports writer, known as the father of the American football. Association football is played in accordance with the set of rules known as laws of the game. The game
Abhinand, you could have sorted important points and write it. Is it not? I think you have directly taken from the Google all the informations. That's why you find a lot of informations here altogether.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to read it within the time? You don't have
No,
much
ma'am,
time and
I
many
am
participants.
reading half.
Okay.
Badminton. Badminton was invented by Duke of Beaufort in his badminton house. They played first badminton on Pune on British rule. Golf. Golf was a modern game of 15th century Scotland. 18-hole round was created at old course of St Andrews in 1764. Golf's first major and world's oldest game. Basketball. Basketball was invented by James Naismith. He invented in 1891 at International YMCA Training School in Springfield, Massachusetts. He was a Canadian American
Massachusetts.
education instructor. Volleyball. Volleyball was invented by William Morgan. Volleyball is a team sport which has two terms in six players and separated by a net. Each team tries to score points grounding a ball on other team's court organizing role. Indoor game: chess, dart, carom, snooker, patches. Chess. The history of chess can track back nearly 1,500 years. The earliest predecessor of the game probably organized in India to spread Persian. Dart. Dart was invented by a carpenter from Lancashire named
Lancashire.
Brian Gramley in 1896. Dart began military pastime organized England during the medieval era in the first couple of decades in
First
14th
couple of
century.
decades. Couple.
Carom. The game of carom, I believe, have originated from the Indian
Originated.
Little is known about the game set in 19th century, but it is believed that it has been played various forms, possibly since
Antiquity.
there is a theory of carom.
There is a theory.
Theory that carom was invented by the Indian Maharajas.
How many more slides are there,
And
Abhinand?
two more.
Two more. Make it fast.
Snore. Snore was invented by Francis Chamberlain.
Chamberlain.
He invented on Uttakamund, Madras.
Uttakamand. Invented in Uttakamand. Uti is the older name of Uttakamand. Uttakamand. Earlier it was known as Uttakamand. Now it is known as Uti.
Sport
Madras,
that
Chennai,
originated
Tamil Nadu.
among British Army officers stationed in India in the second half of 19th century. Patchis. Patchis was invented by old Indian Maharajas. It is a cross and circle board game that originated in ancient India. It is described in ancient text Mahabharata under the name of Persha. Thank you.
Okay. Abhinand, the presentation was overall good. You have classified different kinds of indoor and outdoor games. But what I felt is that you did not have a practice.
Yes,
Did you practice? Did you read and practice well before presenting?
No, ma'am.
No. That is clearly seen while you presented. Okay. So children, remember, whenever you are asked to make a presentation, be prepared with it. Have a thorough reading. Make sure that how these certain words are pronounced and how to do it in an organized way. Okay. Then third, Amna. Amna.
Share.
Yes. Start sharing. Unmute and start presenting.
Good afternoon to all. Today I am Nashrin PS here to present seminar on the topic different sports items. So first, let's discuss about football. Football, also known as soccer, was originated in Britain at 19th century. It is an outdoor game. It is played by two teams. Each team contains maximum of 11 players. It is the national sport of England. I don't like it because I am not interested in it. Next, let's discuss rules of it. Football match is played by two teams, with each allowed no more than 11 players on the field at one time, one of whom is a goalkeeper. A match is played in two 45-minute halves. The game begins with the toss of a coin, and the winning captain decides which goal to defend or to take first kick-off. All players must use their feet, head or chest to play the ball. Only the goalkeeper is allowed to use their hands, and only within their designated goal area. The aim of the game is to score a goal, which is achieved by kicking or heading the ball into the opposition team's goal. If the ball touches or crosses the sideline, it is thrown back in by the team that was not the last to touch the ball. The game is controlled by a central referee and two linesmen. They award free kicks and penalties when rules are broken. For continual breaking of rules or for a bad foul, the player may be sent off. Next, let's discuss about badminton. Badminton was originated in England at about 1873. It is an outdoor game. It is played in either singles or doubles. It is the national sport of Indonesia. I like it, and also it is my favorite sport. Next, let's discuss its rules. A game starts with a coin toss. Whoever wins the toss gets to decide whether they would serve or receive first, or what side of the court they want to be on. The side losing the toss shall then exercise the remaining choice. At no time during the game, the player should touch the net with his racket or his body. The shuttlecock should not be carried on or come to rest on the racket. A player should not reach over the net to hit the shuttlecock. A serve must carry cross out to be valid. During the serve, a player should not touch any of the lines of the court until the server strikes the shuttlecock. During the serve, the shuttlecock should always be hit from below the waist. A point is added to a player's score as when he wins a rally. A player wins a rally when he strikes the shuttlecock and it touches the floor of the opponent's side of the court, or when the opponent commits a fault. The most common type of fault is when a player fails to hit the shuttlecock over the net or it lands outside the boundary of the court. Each side can strike the shuttlecock only once before it passes over the net. Only hit a player can't strike the shuttlecock in a new movement or shot. The shuttlecock hitting the ceiling is counted as a fault. Next, let's discuss about field hockey. Field hockey was originated in British Isles. It is an outdoor game. It is played by two teams with 11 players in each team. It is the national sport of India. I don't like it because I am not interested in it. Next, let's discuss rules of field hockey. You may only use the flat side of your stick. You must be properly attired, shin guards, mouth guards, no jewelry, etc. 10 field players plus a goalie play at one time. The field hockey game lasts for two 30-minute halves. Substitutions. The field player must exit the field at the 50. Only then can the new player step into the field. The ball cannot go in the air, especially on free hits. This is judged by discretion of the referee. The exception is a shot on goal as long as there is not a player in the direct line of the ball and no one is in harm's way. The self start. When taking a hit into the circle, whether it is self start. When taking a hit into the circle, whether it is a free hit or long hit, you cannot directly hit into the circle. You must pass it first or carry the ball for 5 yards before hitting the ball into the circle. For free hits anywhere else on the field, you may either take a direct hit, pass to one of your players, or carry the ball for 3 yards before hitting it. Anytime a foul occurs in either team circle, a corner hit will be called. Next, let's discuss about tennis. Tennis was originated in France at 11th century. It can be played in both indoor and outdoor.
Amna, I have a doubt. Why you have used prepositions like at, about, and all? Normally, you do say in the 11th century, right? You have used here at 11th. At always comes when we refer to the time. Okay, at 9:30, or specifically on place, but main place in. Okay, in 11th century, in 12th century, in 1920, like that. Okay.
Tennis was originated in France in 11th century. It can be played in both indoor and outdoor. It is played in either singles or doubles. It can also be seen in the form of table tennis. I like it. Next, let's discuss rules of it. A ball must land within bounds for play to continue. If a player hits the ball outside of bound, this results in the loss of the point for them. Players or teams cannot touch the net or post or cross onto the opponent's side. Players or teams cannot carry the ball or catch it with the racket. Players cannot hit the ball twice. Players must wait until the ball passes the net before they can return it. A player that does not return a live ball before it bounces twice loses the point. If the ball hits or touches the players, that counts as a penalty. If the racket leaves the hand or verbal abuse occurs, a penalty is given. Any ball that bounces on the lines of boundary are considered good. A serve must bounce first before the receiving player can return it. Next, let's discuss about cricket. Cricket was originated in Southeast England. It is an outdoor game. It is played between two teams, each consisting 11 players, in which one shall be the captain. It is the national sport of Antigua and Barbuda. I don't like it because I'm not interested in it. Next, let's discuss its rules. Cricket is played between two teams, each made up of 11 players. Games comprise of at least one innings where each team will take turns in batting and fielding or bowling. The fielding team will have a bowler bowl the ball to the batsman who tries to hit the ball with their bat. The fielding team tries to get the batsman out by hitting the wickets with the ball when bowling, catching a batsman short on the full, hitting the batsman legs in front of the wicket, or hitting the wickets before the batsman can run to the other end of the pitch. The batman try to score as many runs as possible before getting out by hitting the ball and running between the wickets and making it to the other end before the fielders can hit the wickets with the ball. Each time you run full length of the pitch, it equals 1 run. Hitting the ball to the boundary along the ground is 4 runs. Hitting the ball over the boundary on the full equals 6 runs. The fielding team must get 10 batsmen out before they can change over and start batting. The aim of the game is to score as many runs as possible before the fielding team takes 10 wickets. The team with the most runs wins. Next, let's discuss the benefits of sports. Sports occupies a vital role in our lives. It keeps us fit, healthy, and makes us active. The secret to having a healthy and positive lifestyle is to have a positive mind and body. Sports is one such activity which helps us in maintaining a proper physique and a positive mentality. Apart from keeping a healthy body and mind, sports also help us in alerting our senses, keeps us aware and outlook on life. Hence, sports has a multifaceted role in our lives. Thank you.
Excellent presentation, Amna. Good, keep it up. I really liked your presentation style, the pictures which appear in the background. Okay, background pic of a particular sport referring to. Then your points were precise as well as it was clear, and all the rules related to each and every sport was explained in detail. And here and there I found silly grammatical mistakes, just like I mentioned before. So just take care of it. And you had also mentioned your opinion about each and every sport that you have mentioned. So I have a suggestion. Rather than telling it plainly, I don't like this because I'm not interested, you can put it in different way. Since this sport is in such and such a way, I don't prefer to play it. Okay, you can put it in different way. Okay, excellent presentation. Good. We have 4 more minutes left. Who would like to do?
Ma'am.
I'm Parvati.
Mm, Parvati, yes.
Yes. Can I?
Yeah, start sharing.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very lucky, healthy, and a happy new year. Today, I'm here to introduce you to 5 sport activities, which are ice hockey, table tennis, kabaddi, Formula 1 racing, and kayaking. Ice hockey. Ice hockey is originated in the early 19th century in Canada. The champion is Finland. Ice hockey is an indoor game. Team composition. There are 6 players in each team, and each team has a maximum of 20 players along with substitution. It includes goalkeeper, 2 defenders, 2 wings, and 1 center. It is a national sport of Canada, Latvia, Estonia, and Czech Republic. It has 3 periods, 20 minutes each, and a 15 minutes break. Puck is used in ice hockey, which is equivalent to a hockey ball. This is a position. Now the rules and regulations of ice hockey. To score goal, players must hit the puck over the goal line. Players can't use any part of their body to score goal. Offside rule. If a player from a team enters the opposing team's place ahead of the puck, then the game is halted and a face-off takes place. Icing rule. If a player hits the puck straight into the opposing team's goal net without any contact with the players, then the goal is not given. The team who scores the most goal is given in the given time is the winner. If there is a tie, overtime period is given for 5 minutes and the first team to score goal in this time will be the winner. My likes on ice hockey is that the combination of speed and strength with very fast skating skill is very interesting to watch. It can only be played in cold countries so that it's a dislike. Now, let me introduce you to table tennis.
During 3 days in October, over 100 million television viewers will be focused on Belgium. Their center of attention, Verviers Pépin Ster, where 20 of the best table tennis players in the world will compete in the Libre World Cup. Why not take this opportunity to support Jean-Michel Sèvres and see the top players battle it out? The Libre
Table tennis was invented by the upper-class Victorians in England in 1880. Ma Long is the current world champion in men's singles and Liu Shiwen in women's singles. They both are from China. The table tennis are played in 3 ways: singles, doubles, and mixed doubles. It is a national sport of China. The game duration is 10 minutes and it can be also played in 3, 5, or 7 sets. It requires 11 points to win a set. Table tennis is an indoor game. It is also known as ping pong. The net of the table tennis is 6 inches above the ground. The length is 2.74 meter and the breadth is 1.525 meter. The height of the table is 76 centimeter. Rules and regulations of table tennis. When a player or pair scores 11 points first, they win the set. The ball must be held in an open palm. It also must be behind and above the table. The ball must bounce on our side and then bounce over the net in our opponent's side. The players are not allowed to hit the ball twice. The ball hits the net and does not pass over, the point goes to the opponent. The player loses point if they hit the table or move it. As table tennis is a fast game, it increases our focus, and this is a good advantage. At the same time, it is too fast and we can miss the goal easily. Now, Kabaddi.
Did I take on too much? Or is this all I've got? So, challenge yourself and keep pushing.
Kabaddi was originated in Tamil Nadu, India. It was originated from the Vedic period of ancient India. Pakistan is the current world champion of Kabaddi. Kabaddi has 2 teams, 7 players each. It is a state sport of Tamil Nadu and a state national sport of Bangladesh. Kabaddi is derived from a Tamil word Kaikpidi, which means holding hands. Other names of Kabaddi include Kaudi, Pakada, Hadudu, Bavatik, Sadukudu, Hatuttu, Himoshika, and Chedugudu. It consists of 2 parts and each part contains 20 minutes and a 5-minute interval in between. It is played both indoor and outdoor. The size of the Kabaddi court is 13 into 10 meter for men and 11 into 18 meter for boys and women. Distance between the middle line and bout line is 13 feet. This is the Kabaddi court. Now, the rules of Kabaddi. The object of the game is to touch the goal line and come back to his or her initial position. We can also score goal by touching an opponent and cross the midline. The player who enters the opposition team to score goal is called a rider. Rider must continuously say Kabaddi. The person who the rider touched and crossed the line will be out. The players with the most number of players at last wins. The team with the most number of players at last wins. People from any economic status can play this sport. And my dislike on this sport is that it's a little hard for us to continuously say Kabaddi, and if we stop saying Kabaddi, we lose. Now, let me introduce you to one of the most interesting sports, which is Formula 1.
Parvati?
Yes, ma'am.
How many more sports you have to present?
I'm including this 2.
Two more. Okay, I would really love to see your presentation, but since we are running out of time, shall we wind up for today?
And can you give me 2 more minutes?
Okay, all right. Because the other class is waiting, that's why. Okay, continue.
Just a short video. Formula One racing is originated in Britain. The current world champion is Lewis Hamilton from Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team. A team composition. It consists of two drivers, one team, and one driver is as a substitution. It is usually played in 19 minutes and it can go about maximum of 2 hours. First F1 race was conducted in 1946 at Turin Grand Prix. It was named. There's a pit crew and there are 23 members in pit crew. They stand in a position to change the tires and refueling the car. Rules and regulations of F1 racing. The object of F1 racing is to cross the finish line first. All drivers must wear helmet hands, which is known as head and neck support, and multi-layered suit. If the race exceeds more than 2 hours, the race will stop in the end of the ongoing lap. The car is allowed to refuel during the race. The car's tires are changed 2 or 3 times during the game. The crew pit takes about 12 to 16 seconds to change tires, refueling, etc. Formula racing is a high-speed game filled with thrill, excitement for the viewers. This sport is so dangerous and it can sometimes cause death. Now the last sport, kayaking. It was created by Inuits in thousands of years ago. The current whitewater kayaking world champion is Nauria Newman. It consists of singles and doubles. The game format is outdoor. The Olympics kayaking distance is 200 meters and the time duration depends. The game components are kayak, a boat, and a double-bladed paddle. There are whitewater surf kayaking and snowboarding kayaking. This is a kayak and a paddle, puck, etc. Benefits of sport is that it increases our mental and physical health, it increases our concentration and focus, it keeps us fit, and people who play sports have a strong immune system. It increases our confidence. That's all from me. Thank you.
Well done, Parvati. Outstanding performance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Exceptional. I don't have words to say. I'm so much amazed to see your presentation skills. Okay. Each one of you is doing far better. Very well. I really like the way you presented the video, sound effect, short videos of each sports that you mentioned. And the items that you selected were really, not a common one. Unique items like Formula One racing, kayaking, ice hockey. So it makes your presentation different from others. Okay. Well done. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, so we could do only 4 presentations today, and out of these 4, I would select Parvati's as the best one. Okay, but rest of you all did very well, but we'll continue it in the next class. Okay, so thank you, children. We are running out of time. It's 2:30 now. Another batch waiting. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.